According to the National Electrical Code, specifically Article 310.15b3, the number of conductors in a conduit is limited to 40% of the conduit's cross-sectional area. Let's determine if the wiring can fit inside a 2-inch PVC conduit. The cross-sectional area of a 2-inch PVC conduit is approximately 3.14 square inches. The maximum fill allowed at 40% is 0.4 multiplied by 3.14, which equals 1.26 square inches. Now let's calculate the area of the conductors. Number 12 THHN conductors have an area of 0.276 square inches each. Number 10 THHN conductors have an area of 0.528 square inches each. Number 8 THHN conductors have an area of 0.1055 square inches each. We have 10 number 12 THHN conductors, 2 number 10 THHN conductors, and 2 number 8 THHN conductors. The total area of the 10 number 12 THHN conductors is 10 multiplied by 0.276, which equals 0.276 square inches. The total area of the 2 number 10 THHN conductors is 2 multiplied by 0.528, which equals 0.1056 square inches. The total area of the 2 number 8 THHN conductors is 2 multiplied by 0.1055, which equals 0.211 square inches. Now let's add up all the conductor areas. 0.276 plus 0.1056 plus 0.211 equals 0.5926 square inches. The total conductor area of 0.5926 square inches is less than the maximum conduit fill of 1.26 square inches. It appears there was an error, as the total conductor area 0.5926 square inches is less than the maximum conduit fill 1.26 square inches. Therefore, all of the wiring can be put in the 2-inch PVC conduit. If the calculation had shown that the conductor area exceeded the maximum fill, then firstly, a larger conduit size such as 2.5-inch PVC could be used. Secondly, the circuits could be separated into multiple conduits. Thirdly, the number of conductors in the conduit could be reduced by using smaller wire sizes, such as number 14 THHN for the 20 amp circuits, if allowed by code and the application. Remember to always consult the National Electrical Code and local codes for specific requirements and to ensure safe installation practices.